conference comes to a successful note, I do believe that this is the concerted effort of all faculty of the department. Contributions provided to me by all faculty members and students of our department, enormous. Without support of my dear students and faculty members, that could not have realized. So, I am extending cordial welcome all my department, the heads of departments, deans, other departments, student volunteers, and all who have assembled here. I extend a cordial welcome. Dear delegates, first request, and once again welcome you all to the Equilibria 2026. May these 3 days become a platform for new collaborations, deeper scientific curiosity, and meaningful outcomes. So, with these words, I warmly welcome you all and request your active participation in the session to come. Thank you. Wonderful conference. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Dr. Annie Lawrence, convener of Evogen, to give us an overview of the conference and to brief us about Equilibria 26. Distinguished Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Shelby Thomas, Missile Economics India, our guest of honor, Dr. P.M. Lakshmi, Principal Dr. Satish Kumar, Head of Department, Dr. K.V. Radhakrishnan, Department, and my dear students, a very good morning to one and all. Today, the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering feels so happy to organize the 3-day international conference Equilibria 2026. So, this conference was designed to cover the core emerging areas of the biotechnology and biochemical engineering and the allied fields of interdisciplinary science. About 300 people from different parts of are joining this program both as speakers and participants. We received 30 abstracts for paper presentation and 34 numbered patients. Event also focuses on various invited lectures by vibrant personalities, three from international universities and four from institutions of national importance. So the international resource persons are Dr. Asida Sridevi Matrikuti from the University of British Columbia, Canada, Dr. Adya Karthikeyan, University of Ottawa, Canada, and Ms. Lamia Sulfikar, department student, University of Cambridge, UK. And the resource person of institutions of national importance are Dr. Kurivila Joseph, Pro Vice Chancellor, IISc Trivandrum, Dr. Srijalakshmi KG, Professor IISc, and Dr. Josvi Parambil, Assistant Professor IIT Patna, and Mr. Dedish S., Senior Manager, Process Technology Division, PPCL, Mumbai. So, the expert sessions of this 3-day conference, we expect it will serve as a platform for the students, researchers, industrial experts, and academicians to share their novel ideas. Also, I express my sincere gratitude to the God Almighty and the support from various sponsors and the support from our principal, head of department, colleagues, and all my dear students to make this day a wonderful event. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Now, to give the presidential address, I now invite our esteemed principal, Professor Dr. C. Satish Kumar.
C. Thomas, distinguished scientist and former director DRDO, Dr. B.M. Lakshmi, Chairperson, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers, Trivandrum Regional Center, Engineer Anu Pambiga, CEO, Kerala Startup Mission, Government of Kerala, who is expected to arrive soon, Dr. K.P. Radhakrishnan, HOD of Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering, Dr. Anup Kumar S, Dr. S.H. Anil Kumar, Mr. Devardhan CS, esteemed speakers, faculty members, researchers, students, and dear delegates. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Equilibria 2026. The international conference, as already told, is being organized by the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering of the Federal College of Engineering in association with the Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers. The theme of the conference is Odyssey of Origins from Molecular Sparks to Cosmic Wonders. Theme reflects the journey of science. It begins at the molecular level, extends to systems that shape life, technology, and the universe. Strong academic level. We are confident, stably, online, the weak answers survey. It shows the quality of teaching and the facilitation of education. And we also have some IIT Madras, NIT Bombay, IIM Bangalore, and so on. These partnerships enrich faculty research and student training. I'm happy to highlight the efforts of the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering, led very effectively by Dr. K.V. Radhakrishnan and coordinated by the faculty members and students. Last year, the department organized a national conference. It brought together researchers from across the country. And this year, building on the success of Equilibria 2025, the department is organizing an international conference. I would like to especially appreciate the BTech Biotechnology students. Although this week is a holiday for the students, almost all the students have turned up for this conference. They have played an active role in organizing the conference. Their dedication and teamwork are commendable. For students, Equilibria 2026 is a special occasion. They have listen to well-known speakers of industry and research organizations. Such exposure is very valuable. It helps the students understand current research trends and shape their future academic and career choices. The conference covers a wide range of topics. These include energy efficient processes, biomaterials, pharmaceuticals, sustainability, and aerospace technologies. This shows how important chemical and biochemical engineering is to society. To the students and younger researchers present here, listen carefully, ask questions, interact with the speakers, make the most of this opportunity. With these few words, I wish the conference a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Tessie Thomas, distinguished scientist and former Director General, Aeronautical System, DRDO, accompanied by our esteemed dignitaries on stage to kindly light the lamp and officially inaugurate the ceremony. Thank you, ma'am, and all other esteemed dignitaries. We now look forward to the address of our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Tessie Thomas, widely known as the Missile Woman of India. Dr. Tessie Thomas has served the nation through Defense Research and Development Organization for several decades and played a key role in the development and testing of the Agni series of ballistic missiles, including Agni 4 and Agni 5, becoming India's first woman to lead a major missile project. Academically, she holds an ME in Guided Missiles from IET Puri, an MBA in Operations Management from IGNOU, and a PhD in Missile Guidance from JNTU Hyderabad. In recognition of her extraordinary contributions, she has been conferred with 14 honorary doctorates from prestigious institutions including IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, and Symbiosis International University. Dr. Tessie Thomas is a recipient of numerous national and international accolades, including First Ladies Award, Women in Aviation India Lifetime Achievement Award, the Hindu Excellence in Education, Science and Technology Award, among many others. Her journey stands as a powerful symbol of dedication, perseverance, and transformative role of science in nation building. We are truly honored to have her with us today. I now respectfully invite our chief guest, Dr. Tessie Thomas, distinguished scientist and former Director General DRDO, to kindly come forward and deliver the inaugural address.
Sri Anu Ambika, CEO, Kerala Startup Mission, Government of Kerala, in absentia. Dr. P. Satish Kumar, Principal, Sri Chitra Tribunal College of Engineering. Dr. V. M. Lakshmi, Group Director, VSSC. Dr. K. V. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Annie Lawrence, Dr. Anu Kumar S. Dr. S. H. Anil Kumar, Sri Devavardhan CS, and all the distinguished scientists, academicians, researchers, faculty members, scholars, and dear students, and all the delegates and participants, a very good morning to all of you. I'm really happy to be here today for the inauguration of Equilibria 2026, an international conference thoughtfully brings together science across scales, disciplines, and perspectives. And I would like to express my gratitude to the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering of Sri Chitra Tirunal College of Engineering for their vision in organizing a conference with such depth, relevance, and intellectual ambition. The central theme of this conference, Odyssey of Origins, from molecular sparks to cosmic wonders, beautifully captures the spirit of modern science. It reminds us that the story of the universe, of life, and of technology is a continuous journey beginning with fundamental molecular interactions and extending to the grandest structures known to the humanity. I was trying to decode this theme of this conference. Very interesting. That is from Big Bang to life on Earth and the cosmic wonders like the universe began as an extremely dense hot point. Then the evolution that space expanded and cooled, leading to the formation of the simplest elements. Molecular sparks are nothing but stellar nuclear synthesis. Stars acting as cosmic factories and heavy elements necessarily for life are forced into the core of stars and scattered upon their star's death. The molecular spark, that is the origin of life, starts with the transition from chemistry to biology. Organic components and molecules form the building blocks of life. The journey from simple molecular sparks to the vast wonders of the universe is a continuous odyssey of, and it is for the life. So, this is what I could understand from the terminology of this theme. Now, coming to the conference topics, biotechnology stands at the interface of chemistry, biology, and engineering. It transforms molecular understanding into solutions that directly impact the human health, industry, sustainability, and environment. Science is about understanding how matter behaves, whether we are studying enzymes inside a living cell or designing a polymer hydrogels for medical applications or developing high performance materials for aerospace systems or exploring the physics of stars and black holes, we are guided by the same fundamental principles. When we speak of molecular science, we refer to the invisible and the powerful interactions that govern structure, function, and transformation. In biochemical engineering, these interactions are harnessed to design process for drug development, diagnostics, tissue engineering, and industrial biotechnology. In aerospace and defense systems, the molecular science governs the propellant chemistry, combustion dynamics, and material performance under extreme conditions. Rocket propulsion, one of the most complex engineering challenges, is deeply rooted in the nuclear molecular level events. Every launch vehicle relies on controlled chemical reactions that release vast amounts of energy. The efficiency, stability, and safety of these propulsion systems depend on how well we understand the molecular bonding, reaction kinematics, thermodynamics, and material behavior at high temperature and pressure. Advances in biochemical engineering and material science have contributed significantly to the propulsion technology. Improved polymer binders, environmentally safer propellants, advanced composites, and protective coatings are outcome of this sustained research at the molecular and material level. These innovations enhance the performance and improve reliability and sustainability. As we move beyond Earth's atmosphere, the challenges multiply. that is, the space represents extreme environments, including the intense radiation, vacuum conditions, and severe thermal cycling. To operate reliably under such conditions, spacecraft and launch systems require advanced materials engineered with extraordinary precision. These materials are designed molecule by molecule to achieve lightweight strength, thermal stability, and resistance to degradation. Material innovation is one of the most powerful enablers of progress in aerospace technology. That's the lightweight composites, reduce the launch mass, high temperature materials protect the critical components, and smart materials enable adaptive response to changing conditions. Each of these advancements is rooted in the fundamental research in chemistry, molecular science, and the engineering. Beyond propulsion and material, our scientific curiosity naturally extends to the cosmos itself. Among the most fascinating of these are the black hole, objects that challenge our understanding of matter, energy, space, and time. Understanding these phenomena requires insight from quantum mechanics, particle physics, thermodynamics, and relativity. Even the study of black holes is deeply connected to molecular science and the fundamental physics. Mathematical models, simulation techniques, and materials developed for the space research influence the progress in biomedical engineering, imaging technologies, and computational biology. This cross pollination of the ideas is one of the strengths of interdisciplinary science. Living systems are remarkable examples of molecular engineering perfected by nature. Cells self assemble, repair damage, adapt to environmental changes, and operate with extraordinary efficiency. These characteristics inspire new approaches in engineering and material science. Polymer hydrogels, for example, are engineered to interact with the biological tissues, deliver drugs in a controlled manner, and support tissue regeneration. Surface engineering, another important topic reflected in this conference, draws inspiration from biology. Nature inspired surfaces, such as mimicking the lotus leaf, demonstrate how micro and nanoscale structures can lead to properties like the self cleaning and water repellents. These innovations have applications ranging from sustainable infrastructure and healthcare to aerospace and defense. India's progress in science and technology has always been driven by interdisciplinary research and its integration. Our achievements in space exploration and defense systems, healthcare innovation, and industrial development are the result of decades of sustained investment in education, research, and collaboration. The ultimate goal of science is to improve the quality of life and contribute positively to the society. Conference like Equilibria 2026 provide a platform for sharing ideas, building collaborations, and inspiring the next generation of innovators and bridge the gap between academia, industry, and like theory and application, curiosity and impact. Let the discussions over the coming 3 days be intellectually stimulating and encourage collaborations across the institutions and scientific organizations. I once again congratulate the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering and Dr. K.V. Radhakrishnan and his entire organizing team for their efforts in bringing this conference to life and wishing Equilibria 2026 great success. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring and impactful address. Your journey and insights will continue to motivate us all. I now invite our principal, Dr. C. Satish Kumar, to present the book of abstracts to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Tessie Thomas. Have with us Dr. V.M. Lakshmi, Group Director, Analytical Project Engineer and Molecular Modeling at VSSC IICH in Trivandrum Regional Center. Dr. Lakshmi is a renowned chemical engineer with years of experience at VSSC, ISRO, and holds a PhD in aerospace engineering from IIT Madras. I kindly invite Dr. V.M. Lakshmi, Chairperson, IICH Trivandrum Regional Center, to kindly come forward and deliver the special lecture. Respected Chief Guest, Jesse Thomas, a distinguished guest of honor, Shri Anup Ambika in absentia, a respected Principal Dr. Harish Kumar, a Chairman of Organizing Committee of this conference, and HOD of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering, Dr. K.V. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Anil Lawrence, Dr. Anup Kumar, Dr. Anil Kumar, and Shri Devavardhan, esteemed professors, invited speakers, researchers, faculty members, and dear students. Good morning to all. It's indeed a privilege and pleasure to be part of this Equilibria 2026, an international conference that brings together biotechnology, biochemical engineering, and the spirit of innovation. I congratulate the Department of Biotechnology and Biochemical Engineering of Sri Chitra College of Engineering for conceptualizing and executing the conference. This title, Equilibria itself, is very thought-provoking. Usually in our science and engineering area, equilibria means a system with balance, stability, otherwise it's a coexistence of forces. But in today's rapidly evolving world, equilibrium is not static. Equilibrium itself is dynamic. So we constantly seek balance between fundamental science and application, innovation and sustainability, technology and ethics, and most importantly, knowledge and societal application. And one more thing, this conference theme, it is very much attractive. Odyssey of origins, from molecular spark to cosmic wonders. This reminds us that the same fundamental principles govern systems across vastly different fields or different areas, mainly from the molecular interactions in bioreactors to the complex aerospace system. As a person from ISRO, I would like to emphasize the importance of biotechnology and biochemical engineering in different areas. Mainly, both the fields are in transformative roles now. Earlier, it was connected with healthcare and pharmaceutical industries, but it has gone to materials, energy systems, environment, food security, and space sciences. Especially if I'm telling some examples related to space research, biochemical engineering emerges as a contributory engineering field in life support systems, bioregenerative processes, waste recycling, and human sustainability in all long duration missions, mostly interplanetary missions and long duration missions. In this regard, I would also like to emphasize the role of professional bodies and industry and academia collaboration. Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers Trivandrum Regional Center it was established in 1984 and has been an active professional forum for chemical engineers, fostering interaction among industry, academia, researchers, and students, mostly in and around Trivandrum. Here, this center currently supports three student chapters, namely TKM College of Engineering, Mohandas College of Engineering and Technology, and Sri Chitra Tirunal College of Engineering, in which SET SEE especially encourages the students to participate in different forums, competitions, and conferences. That we need to appreciate the coordinator, Sushmita ma'am. I hope this conference sparks long-term collaboration that extends well beyond these 3 days. And I would like to highlight that Radhakrishnan sir was our past president, earlier president of ISHE. And here for the students who are the most important participants here, you are entering to a world where technology evolves faster than ethics. You need to focus on building strong fundamentals, first of all, but equally cultivate the habit of curiosity and ability to learn new areas. That we will not confine to whatever we have studied in colleges. Anyway, we need to, whenever we are working in different fields, we need to study new areas which will always add some value to our thinking. I wish the conference a great success, enriching discussions, and positive outcome. May Equilibria 2026 inspire new ideas, lasting partnership, and a renewed commitment to science in the service of society. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your insightful words. For the felicitation, I now invite Dr. Anup Kumar, Professor and Head of Department of Mechanical Engineering, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all. Respected Principal Dr. Sarish Kumar sir, esteemed Chief Guest of the day, Dr. Tessie Thomas Madam, distinguished special guest, Dr. Rashmi Madam, and Sri Anupamika in absentia. Head of Department Biotechnology, Dr. Radhakrishnan sir, Coordinator, Sri Annie Lawrence, and Devarugan, Co-Coordinator, other dignitaries on and off the dais, invited speakers, attendees, and dear students. The biotechnology department of our college has been regularly organizing every year. They have been organizing such conferences. But I should say this time they have outperformed themselves by organizing such a spectacular event. Here what we are discussing here is now we got the opportunity as an institution to honor one of the most celebrated scientist of our nation, Dr. J.C. Thomas, and I should thank the biotechnology department for giving us such an opportunity. What I can see from the lineup of the invited speakers and the topics of discussion, this one is going to be a special conference in which the latest topics, including space biology, is going to be discussed here, and that will benefit particularly our student community who are looking forward to a bright future. At the outset, I congratulate the Department of Biotechnology, the coordinator, the HOD, and I wish the conference all success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Dr. S.H. Anil Kumar, Dean Academics, to deliver his presentation.
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished faculty, associates, and dear teachers, good morning. It's a rare privilege to stand before such a gathering. Today, we are honored to be in the presence of three luminaries we have in their respective fields, balance the complexities of technology, policy, and academia to steer our nation towards progress. When most people think of mechanical engineering, they think of machines, materials, energy, systems, and manufacturing. When they think of biotechnology, they think of cells, enzymes, biomaterials, and sustainable materials. For a long time, these were seen as two parallel lines that never crossed. But today, those lines have collided. We are entering an era where machines are becoming more organic and biological systems are being engineered with precision. Equilibria 2026 is about finding balance in a rapidly changing world. With the strategic vision of Dr. Jesse Thomas, distinguished scientist and former Director General Aeronautical Systems DRDO, the entrepreneurial spirit of Mr. Anup Ambika, CEO Kerala Startup Mission, and the academic depth of Dr. V.M. Lakshmi, Group Director VSSC. I am certain that this conference will provide us with the insights needed to navigate the future. As a Dean of Academics of SCTCE, I would like to congratulate the organizers of this conference, Dr. K.B. Radhakrishnan, HOD Biotechnology Department, and his team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We now move on to the memento presentation. I invite Dr. C. Satish, our principal, Dr. C. Satish Kumar, to present the memento to Dr. Tessie Thomas. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. To wrap up the event, I now invite Davidson CS, the co-convener of Equilibria 26. I invite Davidson CS, the co-convener of Equilibria 26, to deliver the vote of thanks.
It is with immense pleasure and pride and deep appreciation that I propose the vote of thanks for this conference and acknowledge the wholehearted support and invaluable contribution of all those who have worked to make this event a grand success. I would like to express my sincere and heartfelt gratitude to all the distinguished dignitaries who have honored us with their gracious presence. I extend my warmest appreciation to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Tracy Thomas, whose remarkable achievements and inspiring words have truly enriched the conference. I also convey my profound thanks to our guest of honor, Mr. Anubhavika, in his absence, and our special guest, Dr. V.M. Lakshmi, for their time and encouragement and insightful contributions. I would like to place on my record my deep gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. C. Sadish Kumar, for his constant encouragement, visionary leadership, and unwavering support without which this conference would have been possible. My heartfelt thanks also goes to our head of the department, Dr. K.V. Radhakrishnan, whose guidance, motivation, and meticulous planning were instrumental in shaping the conference into a meaningful and successful event. I extend my sincere appreciation to our convener, Dr. Annie Lawrence, and all the faculty members for their dedication, cooperation, and tireless efforts throughout the planning and execution of this event. A special word of thanks to our enthusiastic students whose commitment, teamwork, and behind the scenes effort have played a crucial role in the smooth conduct of this conference. Once again, I thank each and everyone who contributed in their own way to the success of this conference. Your support and participation are what we give Equilibria its purpose, strength, and success. Thank you.
As we come to the conclusion of the inaugural ceremony, I request everyone present here to kindly raise for the national anthem. I once again invite Tanushi and team to please come forward and lead us in the national anthem.
India Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ucchala Jalati Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Shishamake Hare Tava Jaya Gata Janagana Mangaladayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
With this, we conclude the inaugural ceremony. I sincerely thank all our dignitaries, speakers, faculty members, and participants for being a part of the event. Tea has been arranged outside the hall. Kindly reassemble in the same hall at 11:30 a.m. for the keynote session of Mr. Anup Ambedkar. Thank you very much. The keynote session will be held at 11:50. Everyone please assemble.
അത് ചാർജ് ഇല്ല, അതൊരു പ്ലഗ് ചെയ്യണം. കട്ട് ചെയ്യണോ? അതിന്റെ കാര്യം ഒരു ഇനാഗ്രേഷൻ കൂടി ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. ഇത് ഓക്കെ, എന്തോ ചെയ്യാനാണ്, എന്തോ കട്ടായി. ഇതിപ്പോ ലൈവ് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ